If you love colour as much as I do but want to feel luxurious, then this one's for you. Today we're talking about jewel tones, those rich, deep colours that make a space feel instantly more sophisticated and bold. But before I go any further, g'day, I'm Aussie Tobes and I'm a bold Australian interior designer. Hit the notification bell, like and subscribe. Now, jewel tones have this timeless quality that makes any room look intentional and layered, like you've put real thought into the design. They're not trend colours. They've been loved for centuries, from royal palaces to modern apartments. And that's because they carry this gorgeous sense of confidence. Jewel tones take the inspiration from gemstones. Think emerald, sapphire, ruby, amethyst, and topaz. They're saturated, moody, and full of depth. And that's what makes them so eye-catching. Even if you're not a fan of bright colour, jewel tones have a certain maturity to them. They're colourful, but in a sophisticated way. These colours look especially beautiful when natural light hits them because they shift slightly through the day, adding dimension and warmth. You can bring jewel tones through paint, furniture, or even smaller decorative accents. If you're feeling brave, go for a full wall in emerald or sapphire. That's a showstopper. If you're a bit more cautious, introduce jewel tones through cushions, lamps, artwork, or even a throw blanket. For example, emerald green looks incredible in living rooms, especially when paired with timber or rattan. It adds that lush, grounded feel. Sapphire blue works beautifully in bedrooms, particularly if you combine it with crisp whites and warm lighting. Ruby or garnet tones make dining rooms feel dramatic and intimate. They encourage conversation and warmth. Amethyst or plum shades can bring a touch of luxury to a study or a reading nook. Even a teal or topaz accent chair can instantly lift a neutral space. The key is balance. Jewel tones are powerful, so they work best when you give them something to play off. Pair them with soft neutrals, creams, greys, even warm taupes. Add contrast through metallics like brass, bronze, or gold for that luxe touch. And layering textures is everything. Velvet, silk, glass, and brushed metal all reflect light differently, creating that rich, multi-dimensional look. For example, if you've got a deep sapphire wall, add a velvet sofa, a brass lamp, and a glass vase. Suddenly, the whole space sings. It's not about having more colour, it's about having more depth. When it comes to mood, jewel tones are about comfort and confidence. They make a space feel grounded, yet glamorous. Kind of like that feeling when you put on a velvet jacket or a statement necklace. They're romantic, they're elegant, and they're a bit moody in the best possible way. They're perfect for autumn or winter indoors, but honestly, they'll never really go out of season. A sapphire room in summer feels cool and calming, while an emerald room in winter feels lush and cocooning. That's what makes them so versatile. Even in Australian homes, jewel tones can absolutely shine. Our light is so strong and golden, so deep colours can actually look softer and more natural here. Emerald greens pair beautifully with eucalyptus foliage. It's a lovely nod to our landscape. Sapphire blues reflect the coast and the ocean, while ruby or garnet tones can feel like the warmth of our red earth. So even though jewel tones might feel global and glamorous, they can still sit beautifully within the Australian context. If you're styling with jewel tones, try layering colours the way nature does. Think of an opal, it's not just one hue, it's a shimmer of many. You might pair emerald and navy, or plum and teal, opposites that bring out the best in each other. Mix patterns too, florals, stripes, or damask, as long as the tones are deep and cohesive. And don't be afraid of a bit of drama. It's what makes a room memorable. So if you're ready to give your home a touch of drama and sophistication, play with jewel tones. They're timeless, expressive, and guaranteed to make your place sparkle. And if you would like to see more interior design content from an Aussie bloke like me, please hit that notification bell, like and subscribe. Be bold, be inspired, and be Aussie Tobes. And I'll see you in the next video.